Hey everyone, Gil here from Motorcycle Sound Systems Miami. On a Friday night, you got caught in the rain, not much to do. So I decided to stay home and do some field testing. Got the Tímpanos, 6.5, the 8s, and the super tweeters. Testing it today with the Stetsom 404. I got the 8s bridge, I got the 6 at 2 ohms with the super tweeters. Let's see what we got.
I got that dope for the lowest music. Okay. No money. I got that dope for the
I'll be testing some other stuff throughout the night, unless they call the cops on me. But we'll send it forward. Hey everyone, the garage and the phone does this no justice, but nevertheless, it sounds really darn good. This is a perfect, modest budget project for those of you who, they can't go all the way, and that's understandable. If it was me, what I would suggest, if you have in black the new 8-inch speaker lids, this is a perfect combo for do your initial investment with the speaker lids and get really loud until you're actually ready for that big budget sound. Understand also, this is also going with an EQ. It's not a digital sound processor. We will never do this without a digital sound processor. It's a huge difference, and probably tuned by Henry Torres from the Funk Shop, or our master tuner Alex Hayes audio. So, like I said, we'll keep on going till the cops come in. Y'all take care.